This recipe makes 30 40-gram peanut oatmeal cookies or 15 100-gram ganache stuffed cookies. To make enough dark chocolate dulce de leche ganache to stuff into the center of the cookies, melt over a double broiler 50 grams cream, 100 grams dulce de leche, and 150 grams dark chocolate until smooth, and allow to chill until firm enough to scoop and roll into 20-gram ganache balls, about an hour. Then roast a batch of honey peanut granola. To make half a kilogram, toss 150 grams chopped peanuts with 200 grams rolled oats and 150 grams honey. Then spread onto a silicone-lined baking sheet and toast in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven, stirring once or twice until golden brown, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes. When cool, the granola should be dry and easy to separate. To assemble the cookie dough, scale the wet and dry ingredients separately. For the dry, sift 150 grams pastry flour, 50 grams barley malt, 5 grams baking powder, 3 grams baking soda, 5 grams salt, and set the bowl aside. In a larger bowl, mix 100 grams melted butter with the zest of an orange, 50 grams triple sec, 100 grams peanut butter, 150 grams brown sugar, 50 grams honey, and 2 large eggs. Then fold in the honey peanut granola, followed by the remaining dry ingredients until combined. Refrigerate the dough to mature for at least 2 hours or overnight. Then form 40-gram portions or round cookie dough pucks and refrigerate until ready to bake, or freeze the dough pucks and bake to order later. Then evenly space the dough pucks on a silicone mat, and when they are room temperature, lightly press them into a uniform disc shape and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes. The cookies are done when they are nicely browned around the edges and crusted over in the center, but still soft and chewy. For truffle stuffed cookies, use 80 grams of dough to enclose a 20-gram ganache center. The stuffed cookies will spread, so I like to use a 3-inch baking ring dusted with flour to help the cookies bake evenly, but do not force the dough to fit. Instead, allow the dough to melt into it. Then bake in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 18 to 20 minutes. The cookies are done when they are evenly browned and crusted over in the center. Best served at room temperature.